So before that we completed the Laplace transforms. The next one is inverse Laplace transforms. So already we know the Laplace transform formulas. So here I wrote here the difference between the Laplace and inverse Laplace transforms. L of constant by s. So the L will come from here to here. L inverse of 1 by s is 1. That is inverse Laplace transform formula. That's it. All the formulas are like in the same way. So here we have L of t power n is equals to n factorial by s power n plus 1. So if you will come this side, L inverse of n factorial by s power n plus 1 is the cross multiplication over here, t power n by n factorial, where n is a positive integer, and L of e power e t is 1 by s minus a. L inverse of 1 by s minus a. If you will come here, L inverse of 1 by s minus a is here, e power e a t. And the next one, L of sin a t, we have a by a square plus a square. So L inverse of a by a square plus a square is sin a t. In the same way we have cos a t and first shifting theorem also. Here we have the first shifting theorem. Actually L of sin b t is b by a square plus b square by first shifting theorem. So e power e a t into, so in place of s we have to write s minus e a. So L inverse of, this is the one. Now here let we see a problem. So find the inverse Laplace transform of this one, L inverse of. So here by using the properties of the linear Laplace transform, inverse Laplace transform, L inverse of this one plus L inverse of 1 by s plus L inverse of s by s square plus 4 can be written as 2 square. So here L inverse of 1 by s minus a, e power a t, in place of a 3, e power 3t, plus L inverse of constant by s is constant, that is 1, plus L inverse of s by s square plus a square, this is of cos 2t. Okay, next the first shifting theorem. So this is the one, L of f of t equals to f bar of s, then L of e power minus a t f of t is, whereas in f bar of s we have to write s plus a. Okay, hence L inverse of f bar of s plus a equals to L inverse of f bar of s plus a equals to e power minus a t into f of t, where already f of t is equals to L inverse of f bar of s. This is the extension of this one. So let me see a problem for this. So find L inverse of 2s plus 3 by s square plus 2s plus 3. Here 3 can be, I wrote here 1 plus 2 to form this one as s plus 1 whole square. Now s plus 1 whole square, and here 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. So root 2 whole square. Now 3 is divided into 2 plus 1. So by taking 2 common from these two, s plus 1, 1. The next by taking separately 2s plus 2 of s plus 1 by this one plus 1 by this one. So this is the comes under the simplification part. So now write that here we have taken separately the L inverse and take 2 constant outside of the inverse Laplace. So 2 into L inverse of s plus 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus root 2 whole square plus L inverse of this one as it is. Now by using the first shifting theorem, here in place of es e power minus t, I said you already that s minus of minus a, in place of a we have 1, so already minus 1, so s minus of minus a is s plus 1. So here by using first shifting property, 2 into e power minus t of L inverse of s by s square plus root 2 square, plus here e power minus t L inverse of 1 by s square plus root 2 whole square, 2 into e power minus t. So L inverse of, here we have s by s square plus a square formula cos a t, in place of a we have root 2. Here also e power minus t. Now this is in the form of L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square. So we have the formula 1 by a sin a t, where it is here. L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square is 1 by a sin a t. By using this property, here let me write 1 by a is 1 by root 2, sin a t is sin root 2t. The next one we have the change of scale property. So this is that is this one. If L of f of t equals to f bar of s, then L inverse of f bar of as is equals to 1 by a bar of s by a. So this is the property. If you have here we have a problem for this one, and The next one, important one, find L inverse of 1 by s square plus 6s plus 5. By writing this one into factors, 1 by s plus 5 into s plus 1. Why? Because now we are going to do this one into the form of a partial fractions, dividing this one into partial fractions. So here consider this part only. So by writing it as partial fractions and by solving it, we will get a is equals to 1 by 4, b is equals to minus 1 by 4. This 1 by 4 of s plus 5 minus 1 by 4 of s plus 1. 1 by 4 of s plus 1. Now taking inverse Laplace on both sides, L inverse of this one, L inverse of this one. So 1 by 4 L inverse of 1 by s plus 5 minus 1 by 4 L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 equals to 1 by 4. L inverse of 1 by s plus 5 is, it can be written as e power minus 5t minus 1 by 4 of e power minus t. Okay, so next problem. Here we have find L inverse of log of inverse Laplace transform of log s plus 3 by s plus 4. So let me see this problem. We know that L of f of t equals to f bar of s. So f of t equals to L inverse of f bar of s. By taking this one, so here L inverse of f bar of s, so in place of f bar of s we have log of s plus 3 by s plus 4. Now this is in the form of log a by b, so log a minus log b. Now here let me differentiate this function one time, that is f dash, the f bar of s, let me differentiate with respect to s. Here one time is f dash bar of s is equals to log derivative 1 by s plus 3, again s plus 3 derivative is 1 plus 0 is 1, minus log s derivative is 1 by s plus 4, again the derivative of this one chain rule, s derivative is 1, constant derivative is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. Now this is the one. Now taking inverse Laplace transform, L inverse of f dash bar of s, taking inverse L inverse on both sides. Now L inverse of 1 by s plus 3 minus L inverse of 1 by s plus 4. So L inverse of 1 by s plus 3 e power minus 3t, L inverse of 1 by s plus 4 e power minus 4t. Here we have taken this one as equation 2 and the first one we have taken as equation 1. So why we have taken this one as equation 2? Because already by using the formula of here L inverse of this one, very important formula here, by using this formula we have to solve especially this type of problems, that is L inverse of fn bar of s, nth time derivative of bar of s is equals to minus 1 power n t power n f of t. This is the formula. Here we are going to use this formula. So L inverse of f dash bar of s is equals to, because already we have done L inverse of f dash bar of s. So the same way here, by using this formula, L inverse of f dash bar of s is equals to minus 1 power 1, because here we have n is equals to 1 power 1, t power 1 and f of t. What is f of t from equation 1? F of t is L inverse of f bar of s. Substitute here L inverse of f bar of s. Here let me take, you may here write here since from equation 1. Okay, now minus t L inverse of, actually what is f bar of s? From the given problem we have taken what is f bar of s? Log of s plus 3 minus log of s plus 4, actually f bar of s. So here in place of f bar of s we substitute that one. Now L inverse of f dash bar of s, how much we got? L inverse of f dash bar of s e power minus 3t minus e power minus 4t. So substitute here e power minus 3t minus e power minus 4t minus t L inverse of this one. Now from equation 2, what is equation 2? From this one, from equation 2 we have L inverse of f dash bar of s, already here from equation 2 we wrote this one. Now L inverse of this one is equals to e power minus 3t minus e power minus 4t by minus t. By taking minus sign, cancel that one, we will get e power minus 4t e power minus 3t by t. So this is the final answer for this problem. Here we have to remember this problem. Let me check once again. Log of s plus 3, this one time derivative of f bar of s. So by taking inverse Laplace we wrote here. After this one, by this formula and substituting L inverse of f bar of s is equals to, we got this one, substituting it here, and by cross multiplication we got this one. Okay, now the final one, here we have inverse Laplace transform of integrals. So here one of the different problem in the inverse Laplace transform. So the formula is, we know that L inverse of f bar of s is equals to f of t, then L inverse of integration s to infinity f bar of s ds is equals to f of t by t. Here we have a problem. Find L inverse of integration s to infinity of du. So integration of s to, first of all let we do this one, integration of the internal part. Let we have to do internal part, integration of 1 by u du log u, integration of 1 by u minus 1 log u minus 1. The derivative of this one is 1. The limit points are s to infinity, log a minus log b, log a by b. Here we have the limit points are infinity, so we have to take as us common to cancel that one to obtain the division part, because here we have the infinitive. Now substituting the upper limit, 1 by infinity is 0, so 1 by 1 minus 0 minus the lower limit 1 by 1 minus 1 by s. Okay, now log 1 minus log of 1 by simplification, but log 1 value is 0 minus log of simplification, the minus will be there and it will comes here, the interchange log of s minus 1 by s. So now let we can write the whole problem. L inverse of the whole problem is what we have done, this one only. Now the total L inverse of, so taking L inverse on both sides, L inverse of this one, so L inverse of this one. Now L inverse of s minus 1 by same this one. Now here L inverse of f bar of s, this in the form of L inverse of f bar of s, so f bar of s is equals to this one. Now f one time derivative f dash, already we used this formula to the last problem, again the same one. So before that let be derivative of this one, f dash bar of s is equals to 1 by s minus 1 minus 1 by s. Now taking inverse Laplace on both sides, L inverse of f dash bar of s, L inverse of this one is e power t minus L inverse constant by s is constant, that is 1. Now but we have the formula, the same formula here we used that one, L inverse of f dash bar of s, yes, L inverse of f dash bar of s equals to minus 1 power 1 t power 1 f of t minus t f of t. So already we have done L inverse of f dash bar of s is L inverse of f dash bar of s is e power t minus 1, substituted here, that is equals to minus t. Actually what is f of t? L inverse of f bar of s. So L inverse of f bar of s is equals to e power minus t by e power t minus 1 by minus t, minus minus cancel, 1 minus e power t by t. Now L inverse of, actually what is the f bar of s we have in the last one we have taken here. So already we have f bar of s is equals to log of s minus 1 minus log a, so substituting it here, that is log a minus log b is log a by b. Now we have the one log a by b, L inverse of f bar of s, substituting it here. Now we have this one and the following from equation 1 and equation 2, let we can write these two. So this is the required answer for this one. Thank you everyone.